Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Living in Northern California, and today I'm gonna take you on a tour of this community in Dorado Hills in Saratoga State. So now they're closing out, they only have a few more homes available, so I wanted to show you guys this community before it's all sold out. Before we get started, if you're new to our channel, make sure to give a little love to that subscribe button and click on that notification button so you can be the first to know about what's happening here in Northern California. All right, you guys ready to go? Come on. All right, here's model number 1. This is a 1901 3-bedroom, 3 bathrooms. All right, so you have a bedroom and a bathroom right when you walk in. Here is the laundry room. So here's the kitchen, living and dining area. But over here to the left, right before you enter the kitchen, you have a bedroom with a bathroom and shower. So you have a big open space. I love the backsplash. Check out the backsplash in this model home. You have the deep sink, stainless steel appliances. Here is the master suite. And as you can see, the barn door is included. So check this out, it's beautiful. And here is the closet. Let's check out the backyard. You have the beautiful views of Dorado Hills. So I can't open the door to the backyard, but you can see the beautiful views of Dorado Hills. Decent sized yard. Beautiful home. Here's model number 2. You have plan 2296, 3 to 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. So as soon as you walk in, you have the open rail stairs. Here's the living room, kitchen. Dining area. Let's go upstairs. High ceilings. Okay, so as soon as you land up above the stairs, you have 2 ways you can go. Let's go this way. You have your loft here. Here is your master bedroom. Got the sliding barn door, your shower, and your big walk-in closet. Here's the bedroom. Here's another bedroom, and here is a full bathroom. All right, you guys, this is model number 3. This is Plan 2468, 3 to 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. So as soon as you walk in, you have this bedroom with a walk-in closet. And you have your full bathroom right here. And then you have your staircase. Really pretty. And then you have your laundry room. Then here's your dining room, living room, kitchen. You have a little nook area right here. Behind the kitchen, you have, what is this? The master suite. You have your shower and your walk-in closet. That leads into the laundry room. So let's go check out what's upstairs. So as soon as you get upstairs, you have your loft. You have a full bathroom, and then you have 2 bedrooms up here. All right, you guys, this is the last model. This is 2,637 square feet. All right. So as soon as you walk in, over here to the right, you have a bedroom and a bathroom. Here is your kitchen, dining, and living room. Check out this nice size yard with a covered patio. Lots of cabinet space. Let's go upstairs. Okay, so as soon as you get upstairs, you have this loft. And we'll save the master bedroom for last. So here's your laundry room. Here's a bedroom. You have your bathroom. And another bedroom. And here is your master suite. You have the barn door to the bathroom. Here is your shower. Oh, this is ginormous. Here you have your closet, and then the master bedroom. All right, guys, what did you think about these model homes? They're beautiful. What I love about it is the views here in Dorado Hills are amazing. If you guys are interested in any of these homes, click on the link below and we'll put down a price sheet of all the lots that are available, or reach out to us. We'll be happy to answer any questions that you have. Again, if you're new to our channel, make sure to give a little love to that subscribe button and we'll catch you on the next video. Bye.